What if you could build your own web application using AI and have it live on your own VPS? Not just a static web page, but an actual interactive tool that people can use directly in their browser. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a simple web app using AI and then deploy it live on a VPS server step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional web app running online, something like a to-do list app, notes app, or productivity tool that you can actually interact with in real time. What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV. So far in this AI Builder series, we have created games, websites, landing pages, chatbots, and dashboards using AI tools. Now we're moving into something even more practical, building a simple web application. And honestly, this is where things start to get really interesting. Because once you understand how to deploy interactive front-end apps, you start moving beyond simple websites and into actual application workflows. For this tutorial, we are going to use AI to generate a simple to-do list web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all inside a single file. Then we'll host it live on a VPS using Apache and the Bitvice SSH client. And even though the final result feels more advanced, the process is still very beginner friendly. All right, let's jump into it. Now we're on ChatGPT, go ahead and use this prompt. Create a simple to-do list web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file. Include task creation, task deletion, and a clean responsive design. Once the AI generates the code, go ahead and copy everything, open your text editor and paste in the generated code. Now save the file as index.html. Make sure that it is saved exactly as index.html and not as a text document. Once done, double click on the file and it should open it locally in your browser. At this stage, test the application to make sure that everything works properly. Try creating tasks, deleting tasks, and interacting with the interface. And this is honestly one of the coolest parts about AI-assisted development right now. You can generate a working front-end application within minutes and then customize or expand it however you want. Now that we've confirmed the app works locally, let's go ahead and deploy it on a VPS. So go ahead and open the Bitvice SSH client. Enter your VPS details. Host is your server IP address, username is root, and then enter your root password. Once everything is entered, click login. After connecting, Bitvice will open both the terminal and SFTP file browser. Now inside of the terminal, we're going to install Apache. If you're using Ubuntu or Debian, run these commands. Once Apache finishes installing, open your VPS IP address in your browser. You should now see the default Apache page. Let's go ahead and remove that default page. Inside your terminal, run this command. Now we're ready to upload the web app. So inside of the Bitvice SFTP file browser, navigate to /var/www/html/ on your local machine. I'll put it on screen also. Locate your index.html file and then drag and drop it into that file directory on your server. Once the file upload finishes, go back to your browser and refresh your VPS IP address. Your web app should now be live. Go ahead and test the application directly from the VPS IP address, create tasks, remove them, and confirm everything is functioning properly online. And just like that, you now have a fully working web app hosted on your own VPS. From here, you can continue to improve the project by adding local storage, user authentication, backend APIs, or database integrations. You can also connect your own domain name later by pointing your domain's A record to your VPS IP address. And that's it. You have just built and deployed your very own web application using AI and a VPS hosting together. This is a really important step because it bridges the gap between beginner web projects and real application development workflows. And the more projects you build like this, the more comfortable you'll become with deploying, hosting, troubleshooting, and managing applications yourself. That combination of AI-assisted development plus infrastructure knowledge is becoming incredibly valuable right now, especially for freelancers, developers, creators, and entrepreneurs. If you want to continue building projects just like this, having your own VPS gives you the flexibility to experiment, learn, and deploy without depending entirely on third-party platforms. platforms. Feel free to check out RackNerd.com if you want a VPS environment for your own projects and experiments. And if you want to connect your AI website or project to your own domain name, make sure to check out our other RackNerd TV tutorial on how to point your domain name to your server's IP address step by step. And if you've been enjoying this AI project series here on RackNerd TV, definitely stay tuned because we have got a lot more coming. Take care, keep building, and I will catch you in the next tutorial.